This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. Any examples shown are edited for privacy and safety. This content reflects personal experience and widely documented scam behavior patterns. No accusations are made against any individual, company, or platform. Some romance scams are run by individuals, others are run like full-scale criminal businesses. Today I'm breaking down pig butchering scams, how romance scam scripts really work, and what the organizations behind them actually look like. Over the last several videos, we've walked through emotional grooming, psychological profiling, dating app pipelines, and crypto scams. Now it's time to pull the curtain back on what's happening behind the scenes, the structure, the scripts, and the difference between a lone scammer and a large criminal operation. This isn't random crime. This is organized exploitation. Part 1. What? Pig butchering really means. Pig butchering is a type of long-form romance scam. This is not a quick hit. This is not a rushed con. This is a psychological operation. The term comes from the idea of fattening up a target emotionally and financially before the final financial extraction. What makes this crime different is the timeline. Weeks, sometimes months, occasionally even longer. During that time, 4 things happen simultaneously: emotional grooming, relationship dependency, financial normalization, and gradual escalation. Victims are not pressured. They are conditioned to trust, to believe, and to attach their future to someone who was never real. By the time serious money is introduced, the emotional bond already exists, and that bond is the leverage. Part 2. The standard pig butchering structure. These scams follow structured progression. Stage 1. Contact, wrong number text, social media interaction, dating app match, or networking introduction. Stage 2. Rapid emotional acceleration, daily communication, vulnerability sharing, consistent attention. Stage 3. Future framing, shared plans, emotional bonding, statements about destiny and compatibility. Stage 4. Wealth positioning, subtle introduction of crypto, foreign exchange, gold, or private investment platforms. Stage 5. Controlled first win, small investment, visible profit, successful withdrawal to build trust. The hook is set once neurological trust is established. Part 3. Common script patterns. Across thousands of cases, the scripts are nearly identical. I wasn't looking for love, but you feel different. My spouse passed away. I learned to value real connection. I work overseas. That's why we can't meet easily. My uncle taught me how to invest. I want us to build something stable together. Different names, different photos, same architecture. Part 4. Organized crime rings. Many pig butchering scams are run like call centers. Teams often include recruiters, scriptwriters, chat operators, financial coordinators, tech support, fake customer service agents, and recovery scam units. Victims may unknowingly interact with multiple individuals working shifts. The relationship may be scheduled and monitored. These are illegal enterprises structured like businesses. Part 5. How victims are tracked. In organized operations, victims are managed like financial assets. Operators log emotional responsiveness, attachment level, income indicators, resistance points, and financial capacity. They measure trust progression and project payout potential. This is systematic extraction modeling. Part 6. Solo romance scammers. Not every romance scam is part of a large ring. Solo scammers often move faster, apply pressure sooner, and behave more erratically. They may lack sophisticated platforms and rely on direct transfers or gift cards. The emotional manipulation is similar. The scale is different. Part 7. Why intelligent people fall for this. Victims often ask how they didn't see it. These scams rely on repetition, consistency, intermittent reward, future narrative, and isolation. The brain bonds to consistency, especially during loneliness or major life transitions. The connection feels real because emotionally it is real. When the collapse happens, victims experience financial loss, relationship loss, and identity shock. This is engineered psychological manipulation. In the next video, I'm going to break down one of the most painful aspects of romance scams, Why victims often defend the scammer even when confronted with evidence. If this video helped you see behind the curtain of how these scams actually operate, please share it. And subscribe for continued scam education, recovery guidance, and awareness based on real experience.